The signs are glaring. A war could break out any moment in West Asia. US has moved its frontline war assets to the region. President Trump has issued one of the strongest warnings to Iran. While refusing to back down, Tehran says an attack will unleash a firestorm and lead to devastating consequences. Our next report takes you up close to the dangerous situation.
From this moment on,
the signal is unmistakable. The United States is preparing for war. The USS Abraham Lincoln, a nuclear-powered behemoth, is currently cutting through the waves towards the Persian Gulf, flanked by a massive carrier strike. 12 F-15E fighter jets have already arrived at American base in Jordan, along with KC-135 tanker planes and C-17 strategic cargo aircraft have also arrived at Muwaffaq Air Base. Reports suggest stealth B-2 bombers are on high alert status. Trump's message is blunt. If the red line is crossed, Iran will be obliterated.
I would absolutely hit them so hard. But I have very firm instructions. Anything happens, they're going to wipe them off the face of this earth.
According to multiple reports, President Donald Trump has ordered aides and generals to prepare military plans that could cripple Iran's nuclear and military infrastructure. Some proposals go far beyond limited strikes. They include overwhelming force aimed at breaking Tehran's ability to fight back. Now, Tehran has issued a chilling counter warning, stating that any American aggression will be met with everything we have. Iran's military is on high alert. Iranian officials say that US bases across West Asia would become legitimate targets. Allies hosting American troops, they warn, would not be spared. This is not rhetoric in a vacuum. Iran has the means to act. It fields one of the largest missile arsenals in the region. Ballistic missiles with ranges of up to 2,000 kilometers, cruise missiles and thousands of attack drones are there in Iran's arsenal. And then there are Iran's regional networks, from Hezbollah in Lebanon to armed groups across Iraq, Syria and Yemen. Tehran retains the ability to open multiple fronts. A conflict would not be contained to a single battlefield. Washington knows this. Trump's advisors are split. Some argue that striking Iran now would restore deterrence and end the nuclear threat once and for all. Others warn that such a war could not be short, not clean, and certainly not cheap. Iran's economy is already under strain. Inflation is high, the currency is weak. The violent protests have died down, but the anger hasn't. History shows pressure does not always produce submission, it can harden resolve. If the order comes from Trump, there will be no pause button. This would not be a single strike, it would be a regional shockwave. One that could redraw battle lines, shake global markets. The countdown has begun and the world watches nervously. Bureau Report, Beyond World is One.